China says no, Texas says yes, Colombia and Vietnam say maybe. Hello, I'm Jared Kenna, and here's what's happening today in Money and Tech. The Texas Department of Banking released a supervisory memorandum outlining its policies on virtual currencies in terms of the Texas Money Services Act, saying that the exchange of one cryptocurrency for another cryptocurrency is not money transmission, and that because cryptocurrency is not money or monetary value, the receipt of it in exchange for a promise to make it available at a later time or different location is not money transmission. This includes intermediaries who receive cryptocurrency for transfer to a third party and entities who, akin to depositories, hold cryptocurrency on behalf of customers. Check back later today on moneyandtech.com for our interview with Patrick Merck, General Counsel of the Bitcoin Foundation, for his interpretation of the news out of Texas. Most of the major Bitcoin exchanges in China have begun suspending payment services in response to the central bank's directive. BTC China announced Wednesday that it has suspended dealings with its payment provider Yijingdong. Huobi, OKCoin and FXBTC have likewise received notices from their financial partners and are halting customer deposits. And as we reported Wednesday, BTC 38 will be suspending all bank transfers and fiat-to-crypto trading. But they aren't giving up yet. Bloomberg today quoted OKCoin saying, "We have prepared an emergency plan ahead of the April 15th deadline and will launch an overseas version soon. Please don't doubt us." BitPay reported on Wednesday that they've opened yet another office in Amsterdam and are adding another board member as well. Given how quickly they are growing, it's no surprise they've also reportedly initiated another funding raise, this time aiming for 20 to 30 million. Watch our recent interview with BitPay CEO Tony Gallippi to learn more about their payment services and plans for growth. Swedish Bitcoin exchange Safilo is making a strong move to establish itself as Europe's leading Bitcoin exchange, offering instant direct payments from 86 European banks in 11 countries. And the Banco Central de Colombia released their much-anticipated official statement on Tuesday, confirming that Bitcoin is not considered a currency or means of legal tender in Colombia. That said, members of the local Colombian digital currency community are still optimistic, viewing this statement as a first step in relations with regulators. VBTC, the first online Vietnam Bitcoin digital currency exchange, has been condemned as illegal by the Ministry of Industry and Trade, which claims that Bitcoin is not a commodity or a service in current Vietnamese legal documents. Bitcoin Vietnam and Bit2C, the companies behind the exchange, counter that Bitcoin was never banned in Vietnam. Yet despite the nebulous regulatory landscape, Bitcoin adoption has continued to grow among businesses and individuals in Vietnam, which will hopefully force more clarity on the subject soon. Online payment service PayStand has opened up from its private beta to offer flexible and simple payment processing in Bitcoin, e-checks, or credit cards to all online merchants for a monthly fee. 18 of Europe's top kickboxers will go head-to-head this Saturday in the first Bitcoin Fight Night, competing in London's iconic O2 venue for a prize of £5,000 in Bitcoin. Among the matchups will be a celebrity bout with broadcaster and Bitcoin enthusiast Max Kaiser. And before the fights commence, the venue will host a free Bitcoin meetup, featuring a panel debate titled, "How Bitcoin Can Fight Back Against the Hackers." And following a successful coin summit, we got to sit down with organizer Pamir Gillespie one more time to recap and reflect on the event. Find that interview, all of our Coin Summit coverage, and more information on today's news stories at moneyandtech.com. I'm Jared Kenna, and this has been Money and Tech's Daily News Update.